Right, as stated in a previous video, this streamer, Sneako, he could well be the next streamer to go mainstream in 2026, a la Nick Fuentes in 2025. So, with his pending mainstream interview with Piers Morgan and beyond, what can folks do to monetize Sneako, making money out of him or making money with him? A better phrase, that isn't it? That's a better turn of phrase, making money with him rather than making money out of him. Now, I've got a few ideas. First one, if you've got a small or medium sized business, of course, what you could do is reach out and do advertisement deals or affiliate deals with him and leverage that relationship to drive brand awareness and custom to your business. And hopefully, obviously, that translates to more sales for you, right? The next one, you could invest in the picks and shovels. So this could be a picks and shovels play. Right, so with these streamers, what do they rely on? They rely on their audio and visual tech, their technology, right? A company I had shares in last year, Focusrite. Now I sold that for a modest profit, a very modest profit last year, right? But it is a company that streamers use. It's a company that provides audio equipment which streamers, music producers, and podcasters really need. There'll be other companies out there, so it's not just limited to this one company. Other companies out there that produce perhaps the cameras and what have you that streamers, music producers, and content creators need. So what you could do is you can buy shares in those companies or even set up a company like that. So again, none of this is investment advice. It's all just brainstorming ideas for entertainment purposes and just sharing ideas, really. A bit of a chat, really. So nothing too heavy for you. Nothing for you to sue me over if you make the wrong decision. Right, the next one, you could interview him. If you're a podcaster yourself, or if you've got a media company, you could invite him over and interview him, drive views to your platform, which obviously could translate into increased revenue for you. The next one, if you're an events organizer, such as sports events or such like, or even perhaps entertainment events, what you could do is you could partner with Sneako, get him to attend your events, give him free access, and obviously ask him to live stream your events. That way, you reach a greater audience, and the increased audience, those members, could actually translate to future attendees of your events. So there you go. You promote your events, you reach a greater audience, and potentially you've increased your customer base. Sixthly, what you could do is you could offer to work for him rather, or work with him, whatever you want to use as terminology here. So you could provide him a service such as being moderators in his live chats or social media platforms. You could do his tech. Right, so perhaps you're good with technology, you're good at making these thumbnails and what have you, and edit videos, right? Or perhaps you're a PR management firm, or you work for a PR company. What you could do is you could enter the promotion and management side of things. So if you're a management agency of celebrities and big public profile figures, you could get him on your books. And if you're more high level, so let's say you're higher level within government bodies around the world, you could take Sneako down the ISHOWSPEED route. Now, ISHOWSPEED, he's gone down to various countries and he's promoted those countries. You could do the same thing. So you could invite Sneako over to your country in an effort to boost your tourism and promote your nation. Another idea, very low level, very lazy idea, you could ask him for money yourself, right? You could ask him for money. It's low level, low effort. I doubt it's going to pay off, but again, you may want to do that. There's lots of other ideas out there. It's not just limited to these ideas. And obviously, if I sat down long enough, I could come up with maybe 10 more ideas. Who knows, right? So you could do the same thing, right? So brainstorm. Perhaps Sneako is someone you could monetize and derive value from, right? And start using his increased public profile for your own means. None of this is investment advice. It's all for entertainment purposes. Please do like and subscribe. Just a quick edit, Piers Morgan has cancelled the interview with Sneako, but I'm sure Sneako will still continue to promote himself this year in 2026 without Piers Morgan, or perhaps Piers Morgan will rearrange at another time.